Hello and welcome. My name is Matthew McGregor, and in this video we're going to be talking about uploading your app icon in 22 apps. So how you upload your app icon is in the all screens kind of menu. What you're going to do is you want to come over to the right side and click on General. And when you click on General, it will give you the option right here to upload your app icon or your logo. Generally, we recommend using your logo for your brand or business as your app icon, as it's a little bit easier to identify. Though that said, you can really make it whatever you want. As a general rule, it's good to have less text or no text. You can see here that there's no text in most app icons, and this is the icon that people will be clicking on when they view it on their phone, and it's really hard to read very small text. So generally you just want some kind of icon or image there to use as your app icon. And one thing you should know about uploading this before we get into it is it does need to be a PNG file, and it can't have any transparency. So if right now you have your logo file as a JPEG or a PNG with transparency, we're going to need to make sure we edit that so that we can upload it exactly as Apple and Android want. So how you go about doing that is if you already have the file, you can just go ahead and click upload and drag it on right here. But if you don't yet have the file, what we can go ahead and do is we can come over to our favorite tool, Canva. And if you haven't already watched my Canva training, hopefully it'll be linked somewhere nearby for you to check out. And basically in Canva, just as I talk about in the Canva training, we are going to go to create design, customize size, and then we are going to specify what size we want, which is 1024 by 1024 for the logo. So 1024 by 1024, and we're going to click create new design. Then from here, you can upload your current logo. I'm going to drag in my 22 apps logo. And you can see here that this is not really going to work properly for if there's text in it, if people are clicking this very small icon. So I'm going to actually crop this by simply dragging this left, and I can crop this nice and easily so that I can resize it, make it bigger, and use it as my icon for my 22 apps app. So you can see here, I'll make it just about this size. Maybe I'll make it a little smaller because I know the app will have curved edges. So that looks about right to me. And when I'm ready to download it, I can come up to the right-hand side and I can click download. You can see it already suggests a PNG image for us, which is nice. So we're just going to go ahead and click download to download it. You can go ahead and save it wherever is most convenient for you. And then when it comes to uploading it to 22 apps, you can click upload to upload the logo, and you can just drag and drop it on here, or you can go ahead and find the file on your computer. I'm going to go ahead and find the file because I like to do it that way. And you can see here, here's the file. I'm going to click open. And one cool feature we added within 22 apps is if you need to resize the image at all or reposition it, you can do that really easily here by simply dragging this zoom icon around, as well as moving it around so that you can crop it right in the middle exactly how you want. So once you're done that, you can go ahead and click save if you did need to crop it at all. If you didn't need to crop it, just click save. And that's all you need to do to fully upload your app icon to 22 apps. You can see here it says image cropped successfully, and now we've added our new icon to our 22 apps app. The one last thing that I'll mention here is both with the splash screen and your app icon is these are more difficult to change, whereas you can update your in-app screens anytime. You can add new content through instant updates with 22 apps. The logo and splash screen will actually need a resubmission to Apple and Android in order for those things to update. So make sure you're very happy with your app icon and your splash screen prior to uploading it to Apple and Android, because it is a little bit more difficult to change. So I hope that helps. I hope that you find success with your 22 apps app. And if you have not done your splash screen, I look forward to seeing you in that video for updating your splash screen very soon.